I really like Auckland. I've made it my home, and my name here is Auckland Joe. You know, the people that live here, everywhere I walk, it's like Auckland Joe or Gypsy Joe. So those are the nicknames I have here. And I like it here because it's for boxing. There's not a lot of distractions, and I've made some good friends. And the reason why I'm here is because Tyson's here, and I was staying here with my family for a while earlier on in the year, and we had a great time here as a family. I've said that the first camp I had with Andy was a good camp, the second camp was better, and this is the best camp. And I've made this the best camp because of the challenge that's in front of me. Joe Joyce, big lump. And I've brought in a chef, I've brought in Andy Lee, I have Tyson Fury around, I've got my brother John Parker here, Paddy Donovan. I've made it a great team environment to be in, and I've put in the hard work every single day. And I know that I've done everything I can to be in the best shape for this fight. So I've made it the best camp. As you can see, I'm glowing. I'm looking good, my hair's nice, black and thick, healthy. I think you're going to see a more improved Joseph Parker in the ring, because the first camp was just an introduction sort of camp with Andy Lee. You know, learning a different style, trying new things. The second camp was a better camp, we added on to that, and we saw the improvements with the second Chisora fight. This camp, there's a lot more that he's added to my weapons. And when I go into this fight, I know that I can take care of business and beat this guy up. I think I'm going to be too fast, I'm going to be too quick, I'm going to have better movement than he does. You know, and of course he's got this jab and he comes forward and he's got a good engine, but I'm prepared for that, and I brought in some great sparring partners to prepare for what he brings.
He's definitely more focused and more determined, and I think the challenge has brought him to a new level. I think he knows he has to be better than his previous fights to beat Joyce. So in that sense, yeah, I'm seeing a different side to him, but he's still the same, you know, lovable guy and kind and very thoughtful and considerate. But there's a meanness, and there's a couple times in sparring when I just said to him, like, get this guy out of there, go for it, just to show that little bit of ruthlessness, and he's done that in sparring, so pleased to see that. You can go a number of ways. You never know what's going to happen in a fight, and in a heavyweight fight. We're prepared for, Joe's punching hard, we're prepared to box, we're prepared to punch, we're prepared to fight, we're prepared for every outcome. But if Joe can execute the game plan and stay calm emotionally, then he can make this fight very easy for himself. He works extremely hard, and he's fully respectful and listens to my opinion, and I think if I told him to run through a fire, he would, because that's, you know, that's what you need that for a coach. Boxing needs that for a coach, to have that kind of blind ambition and follow him no matter what he says. And Joe's trusted in me, and I trust in Joe, and hopefully we'll get the good result on Saturday.
Joseph made history, the first New Zealander, Samoan to win the heavyweight world title. It's a massive achievement. I mean, over 100 countries do boxing, so for me it's up there, probably better than winning the Rugby World Cup. The exciting thing is, I think he's a lot more mature, he's more comfortable in himself, he's enjoying his boxing, his training spiritually, physically, the skills he's learning. You can tell he's got a real fire in his belly. Second time round, first time it was probably all new. Joseph, you could almost call him a veteran now. He's gone 12 rounds with Chisora twice, Anthony Joshua, Dillian Whyte, Andy Ruiz Jr. Those are big names on his resume, and he's beat more of those guys than lost. And, you know, Joe Joyce is untested at that level.
You know, when you surround yourself with champions, you have a champion mindset yourself. And I've always been strong-minded, but when I have Andy Lee and Tyson around and the whole team, I just keep building on that. I keep building on that, and I've done everything right. So going into this fight, I am fully focused and confident that I can get the job done. There's no doubts, there's no worries, because I've done the work. So when a fight comes, this lump is going to get a lump on his head. Joe Joyce has had a great amateur background. He's undefeated as a fighter. He's only been taken the distance once. So he's got that confidence, that unbeaten record, and he's got that confidence going into this fight. He's got a good engine, takes a good shot, and he throws a lot of punches. But I don't know how to beat him, and I'm going to be the first to beat him and give him his first loss.